Hello everyone, I am youesh, a student, LG Institute of Engineering and Technology from Mechanical Department. My topic is gearless power transmission with the help of elbow joint. So, what is gearless power transmission? Gearless power transmission refers to a system where power is transmitted without the help of traditional gears, often utilizing direct drives or direct belt for efficient energy transfer. It eliminates the need of complex gearbox and mechanism, reducing the maintenance and increase the efficiency of the system. Key elements of gearless power transmission are motor, output shaft, input shaft, elbow type link, disc, base and bushes. Now I will explain you the working principle of gearless power transmission with the help of elbow type link. It contains two shafts, input shaft and output shaft, and elbow type link and two discs, and both the discs are attached on the edges of the shaft. These shafts are placed at a 90 degree for transferring a power. Input shaft is connected to the motor and output shaft is connected to the required system for the power. So, it is a base, two supports, input shaft, output shaft, disc, bush, elbow type link. Total there are 8 bush, 4 in each and 4 links. They are placed in a 90 degree for transferring a power at a 90 degree, so it is called elbow type power transmission. As you saw, gearless power transmission with the help of elbow type link, there are some advantages for using this system. It reduces the size and the weight of the system. As compared to regular gears, it contains a gearbox which covers a more space and heavy in weight. Compared to this system is light and contains less space. It is very efficient because it contains very less moving part. It is very cost effective because it is cheaper than traditional gears. It is very replaceable and portable. It can be placed anywhere as you want. Some applications of using these systems are robotic arm and manipulator. It is used to give the rotational motion of the arm. The main reason for using this system because in robotic arm there is very less space, so this system is very good for it, and it is used in industrial manufacturing and automation such as conveyor belt, packaging line and assembly line. In aerospace, where weight and space is very critical factor, so this system is used in a landing mechanism, control surface, and it is also give very precise cushion. Thank you for watching my video.